Wait, what? This just appeared? But no one touched a pen? How is this even real? I mean, I'm staring at it, and it's perfect. No artist, no painter, not even a tiny guy inside the computer. So, who did this? Seriously, is there a little wizard hiding in my hard drive? This is the brain of AI. And here's the wild part. It doesn't draw. It learns. Yeah, it's like a super nerd with a photographic memory, but smarter. Millions, no, billions of images, cats, dogs, faces, memes, smash into it all at once. And it somehow remembers patterns from chaos. Imagine trying to remember all the memes on the internet. That's AI. It doesn't memorize pictures. It figures out patterns. Like, what makes a face a face? Or what makes a cat a cat? Yes, it literally understands what humans think looks right, without being human. And then it starts creating from nothing. Just random chaos, pure noise, scribble. Just type what you want and watch AI turn your words into reality. Want a cat riding a skateboard? Boom, done. Potato astronaut? Why not? Even the weirdest ideas, like a potato king wearing a crown, it gets it. Somehow, it understands. It's like the universe itself read your mind, but less scary, kinda. AI never really learns art. It learns patterns, how shapes, colors, and textures relate, and then rebuilds reality from nothing. Basically, it's a detective solving mysteries of pixels. From total chaos to an image you can recognize, from nothing to something extraordinary. And it happens so fast. I blinked, and it was done. So next time you see an AI image, remember, it started with nothing, and somehow built this. And no, I have no idea how it's thinking, but I respect it.